Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shrishti Goyal and hope you are doing well. So guys, the video that I have today, the thing that I'm going to show you today has made me really happy today because it was unexpected. So what happened was my brother, sister and mother went for a shopping today and I couldn't for some work, and I was expecting my Mac fixer only, and when they came and I saw that packet in their hand, I was over the cloud. It's not mine, it's my sister, but I was like, I have to show this to my viewer. So I put my sister on hold and I'm going to show you what it is. Guys, we have another thing from Apple. Okay, so let me show you what it is. So when you open it, it comes in a packet like this and a very heavy and sturdy box. It has this envelope which I haven't seen what it is about. Let's see. So okay, it has all the details of the payment and stuff like that. So we are going to ignore this and we are going to move forward to see how beautiful this is. Can you see how sleek it looks? The designing so basic, so classy. I am just all for what it is. It's amazing, and it says iPad. So yes guys, it is an iPad. My sister really needed it. You know, she has a lot of work to do on go, and that is why she invested in this one. So let's see what do we have inside it. Okay guys, let's see. So when you remove this covering, okay guys, look at this beauty. This is so pretty. You can see the reflection of my house in this, so we are going to just ignore it. So guys, look at this. This is simply beautiful. You can see the wrapping on this one, and if we remove it, let's see what's inside. So they have the other accessories with it, and those are, first of all, this is a book, I guess, guide for the usage or for the care and everything, which is very important. I always look at the guide first, then using a product. Then it has a adapter, I guess it is for charging. It is very unique, very different guys. Then the classic iPhone cable, and this is what the box looks like. I wish there is nothing inside it. This is what the classic box looks like. And guys, look at this closely. This is black in color. From the side, it looks as sleek as shown on the box. And then they have this logo in the back and the camera as well. Guys, I just simply love it. The look, the size, everything. It is like a laptop screen only. So this is really nice. Now guys, let me tell you the price. It costed us 30,000 rupees, which I believe is not bad given the brand that we are dealing with and given the size, the class, the look of it. And there is one thing that I need to tell you. My sister has been looking for iPad for a long period of time, but due to the COVID lockdown corona situation, it is hardly available. There is no stock. My sister wanted iPad Air, but she could not get it. She got this one, and as per the suggestion of salesman, he was like, ma'am, whatever purpose you need it for, it will get done in this one. Guys, I'm super excited to use it. I really can't tell you how happy I am. You know, it is, I was always an Android user, but when I got my iPhone, I realized what iPhone has. Even if someone asks me to explain why do you like iPhone, I'll be like, I can't tell you why, but there are small things, little things that goes ignored, but they make a big difference. So Apple is love, Apple is pay, and to have another Apple product in the house is amazing. I hope guys you enjoyed watching this video. Bye.